Hey there! Today we are unboxing the latest DTF printer from HTVRONT D2. Engineered to be smarter and more user-friendly, it's the perfect entry point for anyone new to DTF printing. Let's see what's inside! This unboxing includes 3 parts. Part 1, what's in the box. Part 2, machine installation. Part 3, get to know the machine. Let's start with the unboxing. Open the box. Right on top, you'll find a user guide envelope. You can find the brand card and warranty card included. Then here is the quick start guide and a power cable. Next to it is an accessories box, clearly labeled with everything included inside. Remove the top layer of foam. Underneath, you will see a roll of DTF transfer film. Beneath the film are the film holder and the roller bar. Along the side, neatly arranged, are 5 bottles of DTF ink, with an additional bottle of white ink placed beside the ink tank area. You will also find a USB cable and 2 bottles of cleaner ink. The main unit is quite heavy. We recommend having 2 adult sleeves and place it steadily on the table. Finally, inside the box, you'll find the output platform and 2 plastic holders. 2 bags of DTF powder will be shipped separately in another package. Be sure to check for that delivery. When you receive your D2, all required accessories and consumables are included. No extra purchase needed. You're ready to start creating right out of the box. Now, let's move on to installation. Open the top lid and the right side maintenance door. Using the included screwdriver, remove the 8 screws securing the yellow transport locking plates. Then, remove the locking plates completely. Align the tray hooks with the 4 mounting holes on the front of the printer. Insert and gently press downward until it clicks into the place. Once installed, remove the protective tape securing the film cutter. Remove the 4 screws at the rear of the printer. Align the 4 holes of the film holder with the mounting holes and reinstall the screws securely. Next, locate the set screws and align range from the accessories box and install them onto the plastic holders. Place the roller bar with the metal block on the left side. Insert the bar through the first plastic holder, making sure the screw side faces outward. Then slide the roller bar through the DTF film roll and install the second plastic holder on the outer side. Place the roller bar into the slots on the film holder. Make sure the film roll is positioned against the metal block on the roller bar. Then, use the Allen wrench to tighten the screws on both plastic holders. Feed the film into the center of the printer, keeping it level with the machine. Open the top lid. Lift the pressure rollers by toggling the lever. Remove the protective sheet. Thread the film under the pressure rollers, aligning it with the start and end reference lines on the output platform. Lower the pressure rollers to secure the film. Make sure the film lies flat, without visible arching. Finally, open the ink tank cover. Shake each ink bottle well, and pour the ink into the corresponding ink tanks. The last ink box is a waste ink cartridge, and there's no need to inject ink. Installation is complete. And that wraps up the full unboxing of the HTVRONT D2. Next, we recommend continuing to Lesson 2 to start your very first print with the D2. Let's get printing!